Good morning, guys. So it's officially Black Friday. Yesterday was Thanksgiving. I hope everybody had an amazing one. I know I did. My kids had so much fun seeing their family and eating, especially Baba. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys some of the Black Friday deals that I'm taking advantage of, like my personal favorite stores, and I'll be showing you some other ones too, like that I'm not purchasing from, but I think that you guys would really be interested in. So I'm going to start with the stuff that's online. Most of the stuff I already ordered, but I just wanted to show you guys and fill you in on all the codes that you need to know and stuff like that. And then after, I'll be going to the stores to purchase some things as well. So let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like videos like these. And I also wanted to see what you guys found for Black Friday. Like, what deals did you guys take advantage of? So let me know down below in the comments what you guys bought for this 2018 Black Friday, because I always love to see what other people buy. I don't know why, but I love watching and seeing what everyone's posting for Black Friday. So yeah, just let me know down below in the comments what you guys are buying or what you guys bought for Black Friday. I'd love to hear. First store I am purchasing from is Old Navy. So they are having 50% off of everything, except for the things that are already like let me see, I think they're called hot deals. I think they're called hot deals, that's what they're calling it. So those things are already like super cheap, so they're not 50% off, but these are the things I'm getting for the kids. Okay, so I'm getting this one for Apple. It's just a cropped full fur vest, and it's regularly $24.99 and it's coming out to $12.52. I'm getting them socks because they literally always lose their socks. I just bought them 12 pairs and they're already gone. So, and then I found this one is a hot sale, so it's $8, so it's not like an additional 50, but I think that's awesome because it's like a pullover collar sweater kind of thing, and I love the color. So I'm getting that one for Baba, and then this shirt is coming out to $3.98. It says I need my space. And then these raglan baseball tees, they are $5. This one's $4. And then I'm getting these dresses for Apple and Paris. They're just like some striped dresses, so they're coming out to $6.73. And then I'm getting them these two dresses. I love these. Ever since Apple was small, I've been loving these. So they're just like the tutu dresses, the long sleeve tutu dresses. And these are coming out to $8. So there's not an additional one because that one's already like a hot deal. I'm pretty sure it said hot deal on the thing. So let's see my total. Oops. Let me go back to my checkout. So my total would have been $160, but it's coming out to $70. And if you spend $50 or more, it's free shipping. So I think that's pretty awesome for all of these items. So definitely check out Old Navy because I love their clothes. I love their clothes for girls, for toddler girls especially. They always have the cutest things. I didn't really find any shoes that I liked for Baba, because he already has most of them. But yeah, this is awesome deal for Old Navy, and it ends in 14 hours, so hopefully I have this video up before that. Not to mention that you don't need a code for this Old Navy sale. It automatically takes off at checkout, so no code needed for Old Navy. Okay, you guys, so the next store I'm shopping at will be Fashion Nova. I love their clothes. I don't know why, I just think they fit me so good. What? And so they have a lot of things that are already 80% off, and you can take an additional 40% off. So with this one, all you have to do is use code BLACK40 to get 40% off your entire purchase. So these are the things that I'm going to be purchasing. So I'm going to be purchasing this dress. Let me put the brightness back up. I'm going to be purchasing this dress right here. It's called Love, Sex, Magic, and I'm going to be purchasing it in this blue color because the kids are wearing blue for Christmas. So I thought you can't really tell, but it's like a dark blue. So I'm just going to wear this dress for Christmas to match them. This one's $30, and then it's gonna be 40% off. And then I'm gonna buy this dress right here. Oh my god, I love this one. So I'm purchasing that one for my birthday. My birthday's in January. Shout out to my Aquarius fam. And it's gonna be $50, but then it's gonna have 40% off, and it's super cute. They come in like 3 different colors. Like, I really like the black one, but I just don't like wearing black. I don't know, I feel like black is not my color. So it comes in black, and it also comes in like this wine color, which is awesome too. It's like perfect for fall, super cute for Thanksgiving. And the last dress I'm going to be buying is this black one, and this one's called Make It Count ribbed dress. And I'm getting it because it's like a super cute and comfy one, and it's only $15 with additional 40% off. So I really like how it's like off the shoulders. So my total would have been $94.98, and with the code BLACK40 it's gonna take $37.99 off, so it comes out to only $62.40, which I think is really awesome. So the next store I want to talk about is Kohl's, because they're having like a lot of sales on the boots. But these are the ones that I ordered because these are so cute. They're like black over the knee boots, and they tie in the back. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, but they don't look like they're like too high, so they look kind of comfortable. They're on sale for $19.99, but when you use code JOY at checkout, you get 15% off, so they come out to only $16.99. So I already ordered these. I ordered them earlier, probably like around 2 in the morning. And yeah, so I can't wait to receive these ones. And they have like a lot of different ones. Like, most of them are only $19.99 with the code. You get them for $16.99. Even these, like, these are so much cheaper. They're only $14.99. But yeah, just go to Kohl's and scroll through all of the shoes, and you'll find the ones that I ordered or other styles that you might like. So I wanted to show you guys this style because I love these glasses. These are the Key by Daisy Daisy. I just said Daisy. Key and Desi Perkins collection, and these are my favorite glasses ever. These are the high keys, and they are 30% off right now on the Nordstrom website. So I think that's an awesome deal because they're normally $65 and they're coming out to $45. Okay, so the next store I wanted to talk about was MAC. So if you're a MAC Select member, you get 25% off of your purchase, which is awesome because they don't really do sales only like certain times of the year. So yeah, you get 25% off, and if you're not a MAC Select member, you could go ahead and sign up and you could start saving today. So just make sure you sign up to be a Select member, because that's the only way you'll get your code to get the 25% off. So the next store I'll be talking about is Ulta Beauty. They have a lot of sales for Black Friday. Just kind of scroll through everything, and once you hit their homepage, you'll see them. So like some mascaras from Tarte, Urban Decay, It Cosmetics, Smashbox, and more are $10 each. There's a Ulta collection makeup like little set for $14.99, and this one, honestly, this is probably the best deal that I've seen. It's the Anastasia Glow Kits. They're 40% off, so I think that's so amazing. But yeah, just kind of scroll down to see all the look at that one. Urban Decay Naked Heat Petite Palette is $15. Mario Badescu sprays, those are so bomb. They have like a $10 and under section as well, so like the OPIs are $5 each, and I love OPIs. So the next store I want to talk about is Kylie Cosmetics, because they're having a great deal. So it's 40% off lips, 30% off face, and 30% off palettes. And I actually really love the lips, the lip kits. So that's why I wanted to share with you guys, because I think that's an awesome deal. They're normally, I believe, $30. I don't even remember. Let me see. Yeah, so they're normally $30, and they're coming out to $17.40 for the mattes and $16.20 for the velvet. And then we have KKW, which is 30 to 50% off site-wide. Let me show you which ones she has on sale. So she has her eyeshadow palettes for 30% off. Her lipsticks for 30% off. The contour kits are 40% off, and their cream color sticks are 50% off. So if you guys are into KKW Beauty, I definitely recommend purchasing now because she doesn't really have sales like this often. So definitely recommend buying. One of my favorite palettes is the classic palette. Like, you cannot go wrong with all these nudes and some shimmers and stuff like that. So yeah. So the next store I want to talk about is Payless, because recently I purchased some ballet flats, and right now everything on their site is 50% off, and the price is already like, this is the price, so you don't need a code or anything. It's just like, this is the sale price that they're having. And I wanted to show you the ballet flats because I really like them. I don't know if your kids are in ballet, but these are perfect. So they come in nude, white, pink, and black. So this is the pink one. I don't know if you can see. Okay, that's the nude one. Sorry, I don't know why it says pink. And then there's black ones and there's white ones. So they're only $9.99 right now. And you guys could just check on everything else to see like all the other shoes, but I just wanted to show you guys that one because I think that's an awesome deal since it's 50% off your entire order. So here are the ballet flats that I bought for Apple already. So I wanted to show you guys what they look like because I bought these when they were 40% off, but now that they're 50% off, they only came out to $10. So I got them in nude because she has pink and black already, but I think I'm gonna go back for the white ones because she doesn't have white, and I think that'd be better for a lot of her outfits that she has. So yeah, they're pretty good material. They're exactly like the ones I bought from Target. So you should definitely take advantage of that sale. Hey guys, we are here at Target doing a pickup order because I didn't want to be in the crowd. So I just did the pickup online order thing. I got some gifts for the kids. So let's go in the pickup line and see how long it is. It's not really that packed out here. The funny story, we came last night and it was almost like midnight and they closed at 1 and they had like nothing left, so I ended up just going online and ordering it for pickup. So that's why I came back today and we are picking it up. So LOL stuff, you get a 20% off coupon for your next purchase. So I'm gonna get one of these. They're not $189, they're either $89.99 or $79.99, but I'm gonna grab one and then get a coupon and use it for later. We're at Target now. I'm gonna get the Canon Rebel, the new one. What is it at? It's on sale for $400. They have different kits, like this one. I think this one just comes with one lens, and then this one, I don't know about that one, but I got the bigger one. I'm gonna go pay for it right now. But it was still $400, and the other one that I got came with 2 lenses, so I'm pretty sure it's that one right there. It was like $749, so I got it for $400. And it's this one right here. Super cute. I'm so excited because I have my old one. It's a Rebel, so this one's kind of like an upgrade for my old one. So the other one will be just for backup, but I can't wait to use it because I've heard so many good reviews. So I want to see the picture quality and stuff like that. It's like a huge box. We are right here at order pickup and I'm picking up my order. These are the ones that I ordered. Let me see. So I ordered these cute little smartwatches for the kids. Apple really wanted one, so I found this one in pink, and then I got one for Baba in blue, and they're on sale for $45, and then you buy one, you get one half off. So one was $45 and the other one was half of $45, which is like $23. And then I also found these Beats. They're regularly $200 and they came out to $89.99, and then I got a 20% coupon after that, so I could use it next time on Tuesday. So here are the watches. They're so cute. Like, you could take pictures with them, you could record, you could, I think that's karaoke, but this is the pink one, and here is the blue one. So one was $45 and the other one was $22.50. And then here are the Beats. I got them in gray. They look black, but they're like charcoal gray, and they're normally $200 and they were $89.99 for Black Friday, which is a good deal. Okay, so here is the LOL surprise, bigger surprise. It was actually $89 at Target, so on Amazon and Best Buy they're $10 cheaper. But I just got it because I didn't want to have to get off at another store, so I just paid 10 the regular price.